G'day folks, Mike here. My little project car that I'm looking at doing up. It's a 1964 Toyota 700 or Publica. All I've done so far is bring it in the shed, strip the carby down, give it a bit of a clean out, change the oil, and about to give it this first try of seeing if it's going to run. And the battery was dead. The car's been sitting here for 40 years, or sitting in a shed for 40 years. So yeah, let's see what happens. Bit of magic spray. Wow, didn't think it'd be that easy. Needs a lot of work still, but it lives. Taking the front seats out. Actually, don't look in too bad condition. Dirty, but not torn. Not obviously. Yeah, might have been affected by mice a bit underneath, but the vinyl looks pretty good. The mechanics all look reasonable. So I think this will come up okay. I'll come back a bit later. Well, 5 minutes with a rag and a bit of water. There's still a few marks, but hopefully I can get them out. There's a few, I don't know if it's cigarette burns or what, but yeah, nothing too serious. All good. This is the bottom rear seat. Yeah, I think most of it's just dirt, so hopefully it'll come up good too. Again, just a bit of water and a rag and it's looking good. Alright, now to see what it's kind of really like what I've got to work with. Give them a bit of a quick polish up just to see what the colour really should be when I'm finished, because I want to try and go back to as original as possible. Most of the car is not too bad. Probably the worst rust spots just in here, and the same place on the other side. So that one there's the worst one. So yeah, got to probably cut that out and clean it up and replace a little bit of metal there. But there's a lot of like paint chips, some where it's really worn away. On the guards there, driver's side door, yeah, a lot of paint flaking on there. Looks like it's had a little bit of damage there before and it's been patched up. Same on the back panel here, a little bit of cracking there coming through, obviously been filled and patched up at some point. The bumper's as rusty as all hell. Yeah, this side nothing too much, a little bit of surface rust starting to come through, even down on the lower section there. It's again just mainly surface rust. Yeah. Nothing really around the back window, which is good. The roof has a couple of little dings, which hopefully I'll be able to beat out. Yeah, got a little bit of work, and paint job, and yeah, should be good. The engine I know definitely runs, but it's going to come out and get a bit of a clean up. The generator on it doesn't seem to be working, so I'm going to have to strip that down. It's probably brushes sticking or something stupid like that. But other than that, it actually seems mechanically okay. Just needs a darn good clean up, and yeah, we'll go from there.